hot chocolate, hot chocolate. New Free, what are you doing? Huh? I said, what are you doing? Oh, what I'm doing? I'm just staring at this Nerf gun. So, can you stop? Okay. Well, that was easy. That's what she said. That meme is even not funny no more. I cannot even stand this meme. How is it still funny? Oh my god, it came out like 40 years ago. I'm pretty sure it came out in 2020. Well, shut up! Oh my god, it's giving me a headache. Okay. New Freddy. What? Did you never heard about this new movie called The Polar Express? Yeah. It came out on the first Christmas, I think. I just do not remember. I'm pretty sure it came on the second Christmas or the third Christmas or the fourth Christmas. I just don't know. But I want to make my pouring express. So ways don't make his pour express? Ah, man, that's super funny. He's not gonna do that. He's not gonna make it. It'll look super ugly and it'll just be blah. Oh my god, if it's made out of Legos, I'm gonna laugh super hard. Oh my god, I cannot just I cannot talk right when I laughing super hard. Okay, so I made this toy car to make a Poor Express. Oh, and also I made them make some tracks outside, and the tracks needs to lead to Santa, so people can actually meet Santa. But kids can only, but not adults. But let's just open this bad boy. Oh my god, I can't even get this thing open. Jackpot. That's fine. Now I'll finally make my Poor Express. I'm gonna call my friends. Okay, Woody, so what was this thing you were talking about? Well, Poor Express insane. You make your own? Yeah. Well, what do you see? Push down this box to actually set up and actually stand here and wait till you guys come. So, what do we do? Just actually push the box down? Yeah. Are you dumb? Yeah, are you dumb? No, I'm not dumb. Well, I'm thinking actually pushing this box down. Yeah. Bonnie is allowed to push this thing down. My name is not Bonnie. My name is Bunny. Well, sorry. Sometimes he actually messed up on our lyrics and the career doesn't know. Say something, career. Why do not hear Ogres messing up? Speak! I'm not gonna speak over the freaking video. Oh yeah. That's how he don't get that much views. Yeah, Woody, he cannot talk over the video. But we just actually push this thing down. Well, just actually knock down itself down, and that's your Poor Express. Yeah, so come on, let's get inside it. So I just hop on. Yeah, okay. This seems kind of stupid to me. Guys? Guys? Wake up! Guys? Guys? Maybe you should actually hop on with them. Guys? Remember these little dinosaur? How did you get here? Yo, this set is kind of getting boring. Little dinosaur? How did you come to this Walmart store? What? We at Walmart? Yes, we at Walmart. So, what do you mean? Oh, man. But you guys weren't speaking while you guys were sitting on top of that Play-Doh box that two Play-Dohs actually got out, and I hop on and I brag out, and some reason I'm spawned here. Man. So this might be a dream, or is this magic? This must be magic. Well, this must be magic. What the freak? Yo! Whoa, that person looks like New Freddy. And why is he wrecking the store? I don't know! Man, guys, I think we have to ask the workers to walk up the door so this dude won't get out with this mess behind. Yeah, that is a good idea. So this video's gonna be called Little Dinosaurs. Good idea. This video will not be called that. You guys will see. Do you guys want to go somewhere else instead of just this store? Who are you? Well, I am Play-Doh Genie, and I can teleport you guys somewhere else, or bring you guys back where you are. Well, we want to go back where we came from because there's kind of like a person trashing the store for like no reason, and he just got out. He just got out. No problem. Yeah, I wonder how that dude just actually came out. Got out with no problem, but trashing the store. And I wonder how the workers did not see him or hear him trashing the store. His trashing volume was loud. I don't know how they did not hear that. Yeah, now we actually freaking confused now. But can we just actually come back where we came from? To the real world? Yeah, we are in the fake world? Yes, you guys are in a fake world. Also, there's lots of freaking trash in this store, and it's actually confusing me. And I just don't teleport you guys back where it came from, but you guys' butts don't be hurting. Wait, our butts don't be hurting? Why do my butt hurt super much? Why does it feel like I had to poop? Seem as well. Man, maybe that Play-Doh Genie was right. Our butts don't be hurting. Well, I'm gonna go home now. Cereal. What? Oh. My butt. Oh, I'm just gonna go home. Can I go home with you guys? No. Ooh.